Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pharmaceutical. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan and today I am going to discuss with you all about Purple Book. Yes, it is Purple Book. This topic is from the Pharmaceutical Regulatory Science Unit 5. So my dear students, till now you must have heard about the Orange Book, but today we are going to discuss about the Purple Book. Now, what is the difference between the Orange Book and the Purple Book? What does Purple Book contain? What are the different editions of the Purple Book? What are the different lists included into the Purple Book? So, what contents can be checked out in the Purple Book? That we are going to discuss in detail in this session. So my dear students, if you have still not subscribed to my channel Pharmaceutical, please do like, share and subscribe to Pharmaceutical for getting further updates and important content related to pharmacy. So without wasting the time, let us begin the session. So my dear students, Purple Book, like if you remember, Orange Book contains the list of all the generic substances. So it is an exhaustive list which comprises of all the generic products. Similarly, on that line only, Purple Book is established by FDA. Now, what does this Purple Book contains? So again, it is a database. It is a list which contains all the licensed biological products. So whether it is vaccine, serum, so all the biological products which has got the approval and which are being sold in the US, it contains the database is included into that list. So Purple Book, definitely, as the name suggests, purple is of purple color. This big book actually contained the list initiated into the year 2014, and later on in 2020 another list was being added upon. Now they have the database, online database, which I am going to share in the description box, so you can get the link from there. This database on the similar lines of the Orange Book contains the complete list of the biological products. Now again, there are two agencies, CDER, Center for Drug Evaluation and Research, and CBER, Center for Biological Evaluation and Research in US. So the Purple Book originally was available as a two separate lists of FDA licensed biological product. So one list was being issued by CDER, Center for Drug Evaluation and Research, and another list was being issued and regulated by the CBER, Center for Biological Evaluation and Research. But now both the list has been omitted and you have a database. So the FDA has transitioned the Purple Book to a searchable online database. But this database is not as exhaustive as the Orange Book. It contains information about the biological products, and when we talk about the biological products, again on the line of generic products, you have biosimilars. So as the name suggests, biosimilars having same therapeutic equivalency, and interchangeable biological products. So three terms are being associated: biological products, biosimilars, and interchangeable biological products. Now these all products are licensed. License means they are being approved by the FDA under the Public Health Services Act. So let us try to figure out the differences between Purple and the Orange Book. Apart from the color differences, yes, Purple Book is purple in color, Orange Book is orange in color. So they both are the database. They both have the list. Now the difference is that Orange Book is the list of comprehensive, exhaustive list of generic products, whereas the Purple Book is the list for biological products, biosimilars, interchangeables. Then again, both of them have the approved list. So all the contains the licensed products. So Purple Book is more formally known as the list of licensed biological products with reference product exclusivity and biosimilarity or interchangeability evaluations. It is meant at a fundamental level to be the biological equivalent of the Orange Book. So Orange Book contains all the generic products, whereas it is the biological equivalent is the Purple Book, which contains the list of all the biological licensed products. So Orange Book lists small molecules, reference listed drugs and their approved counterpart generic drugs, whereas the Purple Book lists the licensed biologics and lists the corresponding licensed biosimilars once they are being approved in due course. So now you know the difference between the orange book and the purple book. So talking about the database is the searchable database which contains information about all the FDA licensed biological products which are being regulated by CDER, including licensed biosimilar and interchangeable products and their reference product, and FDA licensed allergenic, cellular and gene therapy, hematologic and vaccine products. Now these products are also being regulated by CBER. So both the agencies regulate in FDA. So all of them are FDA licensed product. Now in the database, again, like it is a search engine whereby you will get the complete details of all the approved licensed products, biological products. So what information you can derive from the database? You can have the biologic license number. Now this is the unique number which is being allocated to the company once they apply for any biological product. So once they apply, this is the unique number. Then again you can get the information about the product name, proprietary name. Proprietary name is nothing but a trade name. Then date of licensor, when it was being licensed, date of first licensor, reference product, exclusivity, expiry date informations. Apart from that, you can also know whether the product is interchangeable or biosimilar. Interchangeable refers to I here, or biosimilar refers to the B here, and whether the product has been withdrawn or is no longer being marketed. So whenever any company applies for a biological product, they have to go to the CBER, whereby they get the particular biological license number. Then the application is being scrutinized, checked thoroughly, and once it gets approved, they get the licenses being provided to the company. So also then only the product will be entered into the purple database. Now talking about the purple book. So again, I've told you there are two lists, one regulated by the CDER, Center for Drug Evaluation and Research. Other list is approved by the CBER, Center for Biological Evaluation and Research. So it contains the licensed, biosimilar and interchangeable biological products which are listed under the reference products to which the biosimilarity and interchangeability was demonstrated. In my subsequent session, I'm also going to make you clear about what are biosimilars and what are interchangeable biological products. So most of the time there are not much many, the database is not that much strong like that of the orange book. Orange book contains the exhaustive database, whereas when we talk about the biological products, since the number is less as compared to the generic product, so database is not that much exhaustive. Then most of the time the companies have, like Sandoz and Celltrion has filed for their biological products. Now talking about the reference product, biosimilars and interchangeable product. Since now you can see from the initiation of the session only, I am talking about the biological products. So biological product again can be categorized into these three categories: reference products, biosimilars and interchangeable products. When I say reference product, it simply means the product is licensed by the FDA under the section 351A of the act against which a proposed biological product is evaluated in the application submitted. So you can see the standard product which is known as the reference product. Now what is biosimilar? Biosimilar is another product which is highly similar to your reference product but may have certain variations in terms of inactive constituents, and there are no clinically meaningful differences between biological product and reference product. So you can see a reference product is your standard product. Biosimilar is similar to your reference product but may have certain variation in terms of the inactive constituents. Next, talking about the interchangeable product. Now what is this interchangeable product? It refers to the biological product which is a product that has been shown to be biosimilar to the reference product and can be expected to produce the same clinical result as the reference product in any given patient. So you can say interchangeable product simply means it is as similar to your reference product and is also therapeutically similar. Therapeutically means the clinical effectiveness is same for both the products. So when we talk about the interchangeable products, you can say they are the alternatives. So they can be substituted out. So in addition, for the biological product which is being administered more than once to an individual to be determined to be interchangeable. So interchangeable, you can, if certain product is not available, and you can apply the interchangeable product, substitute product or the alternative product. So again, since you want to have the same clinical response, you can expect the same clinical response with the interchangeable products. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share, subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important content related to pharmacy. Thank you so much, everyone.